Central tendency. Central tendency, mean, median and mode. A man went to market to purchase bathroom slippers for his 3 sons in size 6, 7 and 8. He decided to purchase a single pair because at a time 3 pairs were not required. Also, it would be jumbled and messy in front of the bathroom. He purchased a single pair of bathroom slippers. Just guess what the size of the bathroom slipper would be. It was 7 number size. It is one type of central tendency like mean. Measures of central tendency are summary statistics that represent the central point of or typical value of a data set. Example of these measures include the mean, median and mode. These statistics indicate where most value in a distribution fall and are also referred to as the central location of a distribution. You can think of central tendency as the propensity for data points to cluster around a middle value. In statistics, the mean, median and mode are the 3 most common measures of central tendency. When should you use the mean, median or mode? The 3 main measures of central tendency are best used in combination with each other because they have complementary strengths and limitations. But sometimes only 1 or 2 of them are applicable to your dataset, depending on the level of measures of the variable. The mode can be used for any level of measurement. The median can also be used on data that can be ordered. The mean can only be used on interval and ratio levels of the measurements. Mean. Mean is the arithmetic average and it is probably the measure of central tendency that you are most familiar. Calculating the mean is very simple. You just add up all of the values and divide it by the number of observations in your dataset. Here x1, x2 up to xn, that is the value, and n is the number of observation in our dataset. The calculation of the mean incorporates all values in the data. If you change any value, the mean changes. However, the mean does not always locate the center of the data accurately. Example, finding the mean. Participant first, reaction time 287, second 345, third participant 365, fourth participant 298 and fifth participant 380. First, you add up the sum of the values. Sum of x equal to 287 plus 345 plus 365 plus 298 plus 380, that is equal to 1675. Then you calculate the mean using the formula sum of x divided by n. N is the number of observation in dataset. Here 5 observation, so n equal to 5. Median. The median is the middle value. It is the value that splits the dataset in half, making it a natural measure of central tendency. To find the median, order your data from smallest to largest and then find the data point that has an equal number of values above it and below it. Here we can see median of an odd number dataset. For an odd number dataset, find the value that lies at the n plus 1 by 2 position, where n is the number of values in dataset. Median of an even number dataset. For an even number dataset, find the two values in the middle of the dataset, the value at the n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 positions. Here we can see our dataset. First, we order our dataset 2 to up to 23 and 12 is the middle point of our dataset. That is the middle point of our dataset. Come to mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring values in the dataset. It is possible to have no mode, one mode, or more than one mode. To find the mode, sort your dataset numerically or categorically and select the response that occurs most frequently. Statistics exam score for 20 students are as follows: 50, 53, 59, 63, like that. Then mode of this dataset, most frequently score is 72, which occurs 5 times.